So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this, the Livescribe 3 Smart Pen, which is the new version of what was known as the Echo Pen or the Sky Pen. So yeah, get right to it. I got it for school because it would be helpful. Yeah, you have to have like special permission to be able to record things, but I kind of have that, so why not? I hate tape. I hate tape so much. Come on, tape. Come on. There we go. There's that. Does this just like slide out magically? Is there more to it? Apparently, I think it should just kind of. I guess sort of maybe should just slide out it. Yeah. Oh, it was taped on the bottom too. Yep. Totally didn't notice that. Okay. That was just like a cover. So now we have the actual box. It's nothing special, it's just a black box basically. Oh, do you tape too? No, you're not. I'm just having trouble. So that's cool. There we go. Okay. So that's what the inside looks like right away. You can see this wonderful pen. So I guess I'll take that out. Let's take this whole thing out. Oh, it even comes with a notebook. How fantastic. I forgot that it came with a notebook. Because I forgot it came with notebooks, so I went and bought a package of 4 as well. So. Oh well, now I'm all set for notebooks for like ever. Oh, no, I swear. Oh, okay. There's accessories inside. Sweet. Okay, we'll open this. Great knife. This tape is stupid. Okay, I get it. It's not. What do you like taped at the? Wow, it's like, okay, there we go. Okay, so this would be the charging cable to charge the pen. I'll have to figure out how that all works. But it feels really nice, like the pen feels like it's light. It's fat, but it like, I think one of those like business people with all like the, yeah, I don't know. Cool. Yeah, it's got like a stylus tip on the end of it, so I can use that. And I'm recording this on my iPad, so I have one. So yeah, and it came with a notebook. Oh, and it totally came with a manual. The basics guide. The basics, guys. Because basics are important. Yep, it basically goes over how to use it, what you can do with it. So, yep, that's this pen. Yeah, so I'm gonna test it out, have fun with it, and get back to you, see how it works. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of this, the Livescribe 3 Smart Pen, which is the new version of what was known as the Echo Pen or the Sky Pen. So yeah, get right to it. I got it for school because it would be helpful. Yeah, you have to have like special